Going to make a chain. Write down what you think you would write to help someone feel safe in this school.
And to be writing one thing on each side. So think, what are some qualities that make you you? What are you proud of that makes you you? I could put, I'm proud that I am what? What are things that I can use to describe myself?
This is the 4th year we've celebrated Unity Day at Four Corners, and it's a national day of recognizing the efforts to stop bullying in schools and in the community. And so during the course of today, of course, you'll see tons of orange around the school. We had the kids and the staff wear orange. The PACER organization is kind of the national organization that sort of promotes and celebrates Unity Day.
Who are some of the awesome grown-ups you can make a report to if you feel like somebody is acting like a bully?
It's very important, I think, especially to be a stand-up bystander. Not just being able to figure out how to stand up for yourself, but to stand up for someone else, be there for them, not sit back and watch them get bullied and be embarrassed to do something about it. I think it's very, very important for them to have this now, and it ingrains and works with them through middle school and high school.
I have a kiddo who's in 4th grade myself, and I often tell him that they're going to be the generation that's going to change the world. I think for too many of us that are adults, bullying was just kind of a thing that happened in school, and we felt sort of helpless about it. And I see a difference in kids. I see a difference in the way kids are willing to report, the way kids are willing to talk to adults, whether it be the adults at home or the adults here at school. And just the fact that they recognize that being different is okay, and that not everybody needs to be the same or dress the same or act the same. It's really refreshing, and it gives me hope.
Boring. The exciting part is that we're all different, and that's okay, right?
I do recall doing these types of lessons not that long ago in our classrooms. I taught severely handicapped kids for several years, so being kind to everyone, no matter what their differences are, was something that I always pushed in my classroom. I think that this has been something that's been presented to kids, but maybe not always as a building or a district-wide lesson. And I think that this is really good to have it be district-wide. Everybody gets the same thing.